Once you empty that bucket on the floor, and I'll let you try it out.
What?
Once you empty that bucket on the floor, and I'll let you try it out.
What do you mean empty it?
Just dump it on the floor. And just go ahead and tap. For the next piece, go ahead and tap. Okay. Tap. Okay. Hit it a bit harder than that. Straight on, hit it.
Yeah, okay.
Even if you got a, just like that, okay?
It's like up at the top. Okay. What are these braces for?
Keep the table legs from spreading apart. You think it's gonna fit the first time?
Maybe. No, I don't know.
Oh. That's no good. I'll have to glue that in. Yeah, this one has some shitty grains.
Like here, you just kind of see it's
Yeah.
like a different color.
Yeah, it's kind of rotted some on the outside of it.
It's a charming mess. There.
Not too bad.
Getting all the stuff off of here.
Hi, dead battery mother. Well, a little bit of frustration tonight, but not too bad. So my router, the damn router depth got off on me on that last brace. You know, I thought, well, you know, I can make this a little more accurate if I put a fence on there and run the router accordingly. But to be quite honest with you, it's not nearly as accurate as the chisels are. So the first side actually looks better than this side, but like I said before in the last brace fit up video, you know, spackle and paint make a carpenter what he ain't. And that's going to be the case for this one. So there'll be a little bit of wood filling going on. That happens, you know what I mean? That's the first time. I've never had the router bit wander on me like that before, meaning it was locked down tight, but somehow that thing, it dropped down a good 1/8 of an inch right in the middle of the cut. So I've got to go and see. I got it set pretty tight. I got to make sure nothing came loose on it. But anyway, next time out, now that those braces are in, we're going to start doing. We'll get the cross pieces in. You guys see how we do that to keep the table from racking. And then after that, we're install the rollers and install the planer, and we'll call this one done. Of course, we're gonna poly it and all that good stuff, mostly so it's easier to wipe the dust and whatnot off of it. But so my practice project for out here in the shop, it's going all right. Getting some things figured out again. I need a new router bit for that too. She's that bit right there. It's a 3/4 inch straight bit with a half inch shank on it. That thing routed out just about this entire barn, so I guess it kind of deserves a retirement party and a little bit of a replacement, but this cheap bastard just isn't into doing that as much as I should be. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Next time out, we're going to be planing down some more black walnut, and we're going to do our cross pieces there. Got a couple ideas. Believe it or not, I'm still working it out in my head how I want to do it. But you guys will be the first to see it when I have it figured out in my mind. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one.